The Nike Kobe 9 Low EM Protro Philippines is set to return as a meaningful release that reflects the country's deep connection to basketball. Originally introduced in 2014, this colorway stood out for its cultural inspiration and limited overseas availability, quickly earning classic status among fans. The 2026 Protro version updates the model with modern performance features while staying true to the original vision. The upper is built with engineered mesh, featuring a detailed woven pattern that draws inspiration from traditional local craftsmanship and outdoor courts. Laser Crimson and Obsidian tones blend into a striking geometric look that reveals more texture up close. A metallic silver swoosh adds contrast, while darker heel materials showcase Kobe Bryant's signature design lines. The low-cut collar promotes natural movement, and a translucent outsole exposes bold red accents underneath. With updated cushioning and a lightweight build, this release balances heritage, innovation, and storytelling in one refined sneaker.